We all want clean, safe, sustainable drinking water. So if we all work together to put those proactive, preventative actions in place, which is a part of source water protection and asset management, that makes for more sustainable, more resilient water systems, which serves our communities with safe drinking water. Today, we are working with our public water system operators. We're talking about source water protection planning and asset management. We've actually partnered with Ohio Rural Water Association to put together a great day of hands-on activities and just learning about our different programs to help systems better protect their drinking water. We've probably got 60 water systems here today, which is amazing. I think this day is a great opportunity for them to get out of their normal job duties, right, and interact with their peers, talk about common concerns around source water protection or putting together an asset management plan. So I think they enjoy it.
These are all things that are real and on our doorstep today.
Working together like this, partnering with Ohio Rural Water Association is another way that Ohio EPA and the state of Ohio are working to protect human health and the environment and provide that safe drinking water source.